A very good day to everyone and sir. My name is Tang Chiang, Matric number 286841. Now I'm going to present my lab assignment 2, which is the BarterIt application. The requirement for this application for now is splash screen, login screen, registration screen, and main screen. So I'm going to debug my console now. It's running. And this is my splash screen with 3-second timer. And it will prompt to the login page after the splash screen ended. And now I'm going to show my database. I only have an account, so let's create another account. By clicking this register now, it will prompt to the user registration page. And I have the input validation, as you can see. Now I'm going to insert a new name, my name as example. I've also implemented the focus node for the user friendliness, that when you enter, it will go to the next line. And for the password, I also implement the obscure text for the securityness. And when I press enter, it will move to the register button, but it prompts out and message to make me check the checkbox of these terms. After checking it, I can press the register and it will prompt out a message. Are you sure you want to register a new account? Surely yes. And registration is a success. Now let's move back to the login page. And we can see from my database, I have a new account, new data. So I'm going to use this new account. Let's undo this first, the share preference. So the email, and the password. Login. And it's a success. Let's reload my application to show that the share preference is working. Let's use another account. Remember me share preference, apply and log in. Okay, now I'm going to terminate and run again to see if the share preference is working. And yeah, it remember my email and password. And I think that's all for my lab assignment 2. Thank you.